Hello, my name is Stanley Griswold, and I'm from Milledgeville, Georgia. And I was referred by to this place by Harry Watkins. He came here and did the 10-day cleanse, and he told me about it, and it was a success for him. So I was suffering through some things and going through high blood pressure and high blood sugar, and I came here and they made it all better. And I had a blood pressure. The first day I got here, my blood pressure was 170 over 116, and my blood sugar was like 130, 130. I meant, and just everything just in line now, and it's just a wonderful place. I recommend anybody who needs, a little problem with their health, a little help with their health, to come to this place, seek out M.E.E.T Ministry. It's a great place, great people, and you won't regret it.